What's up, home bartenders, and welcome back to Rob's Home Bar, and welcome to the brand new set. As you can see, things have changed. We moved recently, which is why I haven't put out any videos in the past couple months. Been very busy with a move, with a brand new baby, and it's just been a very hectic year. But we're back. Some of you got a preview of the new bar. If you were present during the live stream last weekend with myself, Vino, and Dave. Made some stirred cocktails. It was a lot of fun. But anyways, we're back finally. I'm back finally in the brand new bar. There's still some work to be done. It's not quite done yet. But we're going to be back to form soon enough. We'll be back to making all the drinks and the homemade liqueurs and all the stuff that I used to make. We're back to that very shortly. In the meantime, I'm going to do a few kind of different style videos because I don't have my full setup yet. Don't have my lights, don't have the proper camera and angle and everything. So it's going to be a little different for a little while, but I'm still going to be releasing videos because it's time. We got to get back to it. All right. So we're going to do a little bit of a rundown of what's been going on with the bar, all the renos that I've been doing. I'm going to give you guys a little preview of that and what's to come. I'm also going to make a cocktail today because, you know, you got to make a cocktail. It's a cocktail channel. So we're going to get to that. If you want to skip the reno stuff, go right to the cocktail. I'll have some timestamps down below, but let's get to it. Cheers.
So Odin is loving the new space. He's got a lot more room and a nice big backyard to run around in. He's happy. And the house we moved into has a nice kitchenette. And I totally thought, well, I can convert this into an awesome bar. So we started renovating. As you can see, we put everything into the bar while I painted the rest of the basement and then got an awesome bar fridge. I've been eyeballing that fridge for a while. And surprisingly, all my bottles made it intact. So that was good. Anyways, we got to painting the walls. My son actually picked out a color. Love the red. Nice pine boards for our shelves. Obviously, I had to stain those into a nice walnut stain. Get those nice and secured, and of course, start unloading all the bottles. It's a pretty massive collection. And I'm really happy with the shelves. They look amazing. They match the rest of the kitchen. The next step is going to be to add a working station and some cabinets. Now, I'm going to be outsourcing that because I'm not that handy. So I'll get someone else to do that for me. But that's going to be happening. In the meantime, we got to get back to it. We got enough of a bar to start making drinks. So let's get right to it. We're going to be making the Añejo Breeze. This is an original I came up with. I was actually working off of a recipe I found on Difford's Guide that had Blanco Tequila and Añejo Tequila, which I thought was kind of interesting. But I was making this at the cottage, so I had to kind of work with what I had. I didn't actually have simple syrup, but I had pineapple juice and it had pineapple rum. The original recipe had aged rum. So we're going to put all that together, give it a nice shake, and then, of course, I'm rusty with all this filming. I forgot to shoot the pouring into the glass. But we got it poured into a Nick and Nora, garnished, and there it is.
Well, there it is, guys. The Añejo Breeze. I really like this. You can, if you like sweeter drinks, you can add a little bit of simple syrup or pineapple syrup would even be amazing. But I like it. It's tart. That tequila really comes through, that aged tequila. I don't really know why we're mixing Blanco and Añejo. Probably because you don't want to use a whole 2 ounces of an expensive Añejo. You could go Reposado here, full 2 ounces of Reposado, and it will work just fine. But pineapple comes through, the rum and the pineapple juice. It's tart, it's sour, not overly sweet. That's how I like it. But like I said, add some syrup if you want to. But it's a really nice way to enjoy tequila on a nice hot summer day and without making a margarita. It does have margarita vibes, but with a bit of pineapple and like that rum kind of comes through as well. It's really nice. Well, cheers everyone. Make sure you subscribe, guys. If you just found me, if you're new, subscribe to the channel, like, comment below. If you're one of my loyal subscribers, I'm so happy you stuck around during my hiatus. Glad to be back. This is not final format. Okay, I'm still gotta figure out some lights, figure out the camera, how I like the angle. The bar is not even done yet, as I stuck around for the renos earlier. But once we're there, we're gonna be doing some pretty awesome stuff on the channel. Really looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to having each and every one of you here for the ride. So stick around. We'll see you next time. Cheers.